Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to view your images on playback after you've taken them on the Fuji X-T4. There's a few little settings on this in order to view all of your photos because the Fuji, this camera does include two different card slots. So depending on how you have those configured, I will show you how to first view the photos in playback, but also how to transfer the playback to the second memory card and back and forth, and also some tips on how to navigate through your photos that you have already taken. Short video today, let's jump into it. If this is your first time here, I'm new to the Fuji system. I'm sharing what I learned on this channel, but if you did have a question, I'd be more than happy to answer it in an upcoming video. So do leave me a comment below. If you find this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, subscribe, and that way you can follow along on new Fuji videos. All right, in order to view the images that you've taken with your Fuji X-T4 in playback, your camera will be in still mode. We'll be looking at all the pictures. You want to push the play button here on the left-hand side of the viewfinder. Just push that once, and that will take you to view your photos that you've taken. Now, you do have a couple of options here. You can actually slide between images with your finger, forward and back, like so. And if you want to zoom in, you can pinch and zoom to go back. And if you do want to zoom right in for more critical focus to check your pictures, you can double tap, and then you can slide and move around the image that way. Double tap again, or pinch, zoom, and it takes you back. Now, in order to view the second card slot, you hold down the button, and it will tell you there, switch to slot number 2. So these are pictures. These are how I have it set up. These are some JPEG images. So I have it set up to take raw photos on one memory card, on the first memory card, and JPEG images on the second. So in order to switch back, same thing can work. To switch it back, you just hold it down and it goes switches to card 1. So hold it down and switches to card 2. And that is how to properly view your images in the Fuji X-T4. After leaving it, you can go back and forth. If you push it again and just let it go, it will take you back into the shooting mode. And then power off. All right, hopefully you found that useful. If you have any questions, like I said before, feel free, leave me a comment down below, subscribe to the channel and follow along. And until my next video, you can check out this one.